What's up traders, hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and I'm also going to go through one forex pair which is EURUSD. We got some nice moves out of gold, silver and crude oil, exactly the way we predicted in my yesterday's video, which I'm going to go through in that part of the video, and I'm going to show you how we entered those trades. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? And all I want to see a good signal to enter my trade. Now if we have a break below this previous low, in that case I'll start to look for my sell trades only with a possible pullback, bearish engulfer, and I will stop looking for my buy conditions. As you can see, like I said yesterday, that green candle would be a very weak signal to enter a buy trade, and I won't be entering this trade, but that would be a valid condition for aggressive traders. And now as you can see, we had a good break and close below this previous low. Now at this point the price has turned bearish. I'm not gonna look for buy trades for now, even though the price is now in the level of support, and price has bounced up from this support from quite a while, and at this point all I want to see a good pullback. So this is what I'm gonna expect from net gas, just a pullback, and then I will only look for sell opportunities below 20 EMA and 50 EMA. Price can still push up and hit 50 EMA and then fall back down. Now if you say it's a support area, what would you do? In this case, if I get aggressive entry here, I will not enter, because looking at the fact price has just made a new low, I will enter in a less aggressive way. That will be a double bottom pattern. So that is what, if I get a pattern like this here on capital.com, we had a good pattern right here on Owanda. If I get something like this, a less aggressive way to enter my trades, only then I'll look to enter my buy trade. So even though if I get an engulfing candle, I will still not enter this trade, looking at the fact price is just ranging sideways and also made a new low. All we can see, we can get few green candles and then a possible bearish engulfer and then a continuation towards the downside. So I'm going to update you tomorrow as well what happens if this zone will break. We will use this zone as a trend continuation zone. Bearish for now, just look for sell trades, expect a pullback and then a possible fall. From here, buy only above 50 EMA for now. So just look for sell conditions at this point. This zone again, if in case you missed this zone, it is 2.478, goes up to 2.561. This is the area. If the area is broken, we will pull up our Fibonacci tool. If you follow me from a couple of years, then you know the way we enter the aggressive entry, which I'm going to update you in my tomorrow's videos. Have these zones on your charts and keep an eye just for sell trades only. Right here on Owanda, exactly the same. Right here in blue, this is the zone. If that zone is broken, right here in blue, just have these zones again on your chart. I've just adjusted these zones. 2.419 goes to 2.493. If you see, this zone has acted as a good level of support and resistance. Now if the zone is broken, we will use this zone as our trend continuation zone. Bearish for now, I will only look for sell condition, expect a pullback to 20 EMA or 50 EMA and then another rejection, and price can likely fall and continue to fall in a trend. That is what I'm looking at. Buy trades will be only above 50 EMA. Next one, we have gold. Right up, the perfect condition we had, and if you are my priority members, you have seen this type of swing high bearish candles in your trade alerts. I've sent a lot this week already. So if you follow me there from a couple of months, you know this type of entry. Let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand the conditions and entries. So gold has now finally broken below this consolidation. For now, once we have a complete break and close below, we can get a possible retest of the area that has been broken or this trend line, and then a nice fall out of. Awesome. So what do we have right here? What the price just made a new low right here, and then we had a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, swing high bearish engulfer. And if you remember, I've said that targets will be $7. 7.8 is the ATR. The price pushed down nicely around $9 to $10, and that is enough to hit your targets, and that is good amount of money. $10 move in gold can make you good amount of money. If you have followed me from last couple of months, you know that the way I enter my trade, a good push down, and price is now pushing towards the next level of support. So at this point, we can get another push up, pullback, bearish engulfer. We can get exactly the same condition right here. A very good example I want to show you. We took the trade in the priority group right here. As you can see, the price is trading above 50 EMA. We had a push up, pullback, bullish engulfer, push up, pullback, bullish engulfer, and that is how the trend continues. Gold can likely form a similar move. We had break below, push up, bearish candle, pull down, pull back, bearish engulfer, and it can keep on pushing down. Now the next zone to enter your buy trades will be right here, which is 1893 goes up to 1910.62, from where we can enter our buy trades with engulfers, double bottoms, 382 candle, all my buying entry conditions. Have the zones below ready, and we will only gonna take sell trades for now with some pullbacks, bearish engulfer, keep on riding down with gold. Right here for silver, exactly the same move we had. Now this double bottom pattern wouldn't have been played out, and as you can see, we had next candle as a bearish engulfer, and that exactly as gold price has fallen down, and the ATR of this candle is 19 points, and as you can see, the price pushed down around 56 points. So that is how we enter the trade using ATR for the target. So exactly the same as gold. Have these zones ready on your charts. Now we're going to use this zone as our trend continuation zone, which is 24.02 goes up to 24.60. Now all I want to see a good pullback. Now if you see here, it is price is trading below 50 EMA as well. Let this candle close first. Once that happened, we're going to use our fib tool. Exactly the same for, you can do that for gold as well. So what you can do, pull up your Fibonacci tool like this and calculate your pullback, 50% retracement, and then we can get a possible push down. 50% retracement can be your aggressive entry with a limit order. Target can be 1 ATR and then 1.618 retracement if you want to manage it. So if you are an aggressive trader, this is how you can enter your trade. If not, then wait for the conditions like this after some pullback and then bearish engulfer, keep on going. Now the next zone to enter silver for buy trades is 22.02 goes up to 22.74, from where we can enter our next buy trades. Right here, crude oil as pushed down nicely. It did break above this high, but what do you have right here? A nice bearish engulfing candle. If you see right here, that would be a weak signal, as sometimes I want to see a complete engulfing candle, but that is also a valid engulfer, a pin bar as well, 25% candle as well. So that is an added confluence. Price has pushed down nicely, broke below 50 EMA. So price has now turned bearish. So all I want to see one more red candle, then a pullback. Only gonna take sell trade until when? Until the price hit the next level of major support, a trend continuation support, which is 74.17 goes up to 76.84, from where we're gonna enter another buy trades with engulfers or double bottom entry confirmation. So have these zones ready. Once the price hit the zone below, we will enter our buy trades only. So last one, we have the forex pair Euro USD has now broken below the level of trend continuation zone, and this zone is 1.09930 goes up to 1.10683. Now price is broken below 50 EMA, as you can see. Now all I want to see a good pullback, retest of this zone. If not, hit of 50 EMA, bearish engulfer. I'm only gonna go short for Euro USD. I'm not gonna buy Euro USD, as you can see a nice trend downwards, break below this zone, and all I want to see a good bearish condition. Have the zone above. Once we have a good condition like bearish engulfer, we're only gonna go short until the price hit the level right here in green, which I'm gonna mention in my upcoming videos. Have the zones ready. This is a next minor support right here, from where we can get a possible bounce and then a continuation towards the downside. That is it for commodities, guys. If you have any questions, any confusions, you can always DM on Instagram. And if you're getting value, please do not forget to hit the like button. For me, it really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.